What is something that everyone should make sure to do this week that's watching this video?
Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Oh, what's up?
It started raining. Don't worry, we're not going to stick out for long.
Whale watching tour in Massachusetts.
They said it's like a hurricane outside. They just had to bring everybody in.
So this is what happens to our RV on a daily basis when we bust out Evelyn's stuff. Alright. Hello world. Hello world. Say hi guys. Look at this feather hair. It's lightening up. Check her earlier videos, like when she was born and then shortly after. Notice how it's getting lighter. Her eye color. What is it now? What's your eye color now?
She really does. And then mommy has poop brown eyes.
Oh, beautiful eyes. We are in the middle of all of these trees.
This morning we got here and I opened the door. It was like, oh! I went running and I was like, this is the best ever. There's nothing like a forest, like camp smell when you wake up. Nothing in the world like it. Nothing.
Except the forest camp smell when you wake up. It's just like that, actually.
Today is the first day I brushed my hair in a week, but it's okay.
7 days. How long
When's the last time you brushed your hair?
14 days.
Okay, so
I don't know.
I saw your camper and then they were like started freaking out.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
She's so cute.
seriously guys, anywhere we go, everybody just like looks at Evelyn and smiles and waves.
When we were talking to those girls, I asked them what their favorite thing to do here is, and one of them was like, just be outside. That's cool. That is why I think you should do RV camping or van or just camping.
Not
especially
for your whole life, just
yeah,
like try it out.
Do a season of it, and if you hate dirt, just go and stay in the cabins that they have here.
That reminds me of so many people.
Richie
And Molly.
and brother Clark.
She's the same height, that's me. Look, we see the same thing.
This is what life's like for your madre. And that's how you put a baby to sleep.
What? I got a D2.
What's up guys? We are currently on the, how do you say it, Hyannis Whale Watching Tour. They're gonna breach, it's gonna be amazing. They're gonna jump so high, we're gonna capture
I
footage.
just realized something awesome.
Well,
today,
what I was saying was also awesome.
it is, but today's Evelyn's first time she's seen the ocean.
Sea conditions are going to be pretty rough today, so that's fun. Took some Dramamine, even though I don't usually get seasick. I took it just in case. Hopefully it helps. Hopefully it doesn't make us tired. We're excited. It's going to be sweet.
So far, we've been able to see quite a few whales. I don't even know where Bryce is. He ran up to get some pictures while I was getting her ready. Hi! Don't worry, she's happy and warm. Just hoping to see a breach.
That's from the edit to the camera. Pause for this interruption.
This is important. This is a life lesson.
Yeah, something that we learned at the expense of, first off, Hyannis Whale Watching Tour, awesome. Hands down, very professional, they know what they're doing.
One of her granddaughters is coming in right here at 1 o'clock. A whale named Etch-a-Sketch.
They took us to the prime spot, even on a day that had horrible conditions, and we're gonna get to that with the weather and stuff. We saw so many whales.
Right next to the boat. Like I swear if I just leaned over, I could probably touch one
I thought about jumping over just so that viral video. Didn't, but yeah, they were really that close. When we got there, we met a lady named Lorraine. We met a sweet lady, Lorraine, who today is her 4th day on this tour, so she's giving me all the tips. She was sweet. She was really nice.
She's very nice. She's like, I haven't seen a breach yet. We probably won't see one today.
Ellie and I looked at each other, and we'd been on this mindset of, if you will it into existence, it'll happen. And we're like, yeah, we're gonna see it happen.
It's gonna happen today.
Hopefully it's a good day, which it will be. We're gonna just like will that into existence.
So I'm over here, Bryce is over here.
I was on lockdown with the ocean. I know that a whale's gonna breach. Huge humpback whale's gonna come out. Just amazing. I have the camera ready. I'm burning through batteries, just keeping it on.
He's like in the perfect spot, prime spot.
And then this older couple, very cute, nice, I'm sure, walks right in front of my camera. 600 zoom, okay? I'm just ready. Bald head, just block my shot. I could have easily just been like, oh, and moved, but instead, I muttered something under my breath of like, huh, you picked a perfect spot to not be a window. As I'm muttering, I can't even remember what it was. So yeah, something negative, just to myself. Everyone starts cheering and freaking out. And I'm seeing this bald head and I was like, what happened? As I see this, the biggest breach ever. And I hear Lorraine, whoa! And everyone's loving it. And I didn't get the shot because I spent that moment just focusing on this negative bald head in front of me.
I also missed the first time. Moms with babies, it's just a little more difficult. Where we're sitting.
Be looking all around the boat.
Because it's hard to walk around this boat with Evelyn. The people like were being super considerate, so I was like also muttering under my breath, and I was mad I couldn't find Bryce, and then I heard the cheer and was like, I missed it. So mad.
Amazing breaches.
All because we were just like harvested in our like negative environment energy that we weren't even like able to just focus. That's such a life lesson.
We sound like angry people.
We're not angry people. We're really not. But those little moments when you let that negative luster just like consume you.
Even just for a nanosecond. Anyway, we wanted to share that with you. We're curious, what experiences have you guys had that it was going to be a magic moment, but maybe you focused on the negative and you missed it?
Or opportunities, or I mean anything.
We'll get into more stuff like this on our podcast and share these personal experiences. So we were ready though. We're like, okay, it's gonna happen again. Maybe, probably not, but we're gonna be ready. But at this point, it started to get a little choppy. The guide, the tour, the boat crew wisely decided to bring us in. So we had to come back into shore. And they did before it got super crazy. But the last part of our stretch coming in, the weather, it was pretty choppy that the guide was like, okay, it's kind of nearing hurricane winds. It's actually pretty bumpy on the way out. But it's because of the sea conditions, not the driver. And I mean, working?
We're going 32 miles an hour against a 10-mile-an-hour wind, so they said it's like a hurricane outside.
Just brought everybody in.
Fall in and run into the seats. And...
Evelyn's still asleep though. Oh no, she isn't.
Oh, she's awake?
Even with the worst weather conditions, Hyannis Whale Watching Tour, thank you for the experience.
They were very professional, very safe, and they had really good snacks on the boat.
They did. We've done a few whale watching experiences. Someday we're gonna get in the water with them. We're actually hiding a treasure for a free experience for a family to go do the same thing.
We are at Mills Beach. It's right up the road from where we watch the whales. There's parking here, but it's residential parking, so park down the street. Bathroom. Just kind of follow the grass up here, the trail, and then boom!
A hole.
Here's our cool little bottle. They're pinning it.
First one to find it gets it, obviously. You also are entered in for an international trip. Thanks, Massachusetts. You're amazing. We love you. See you guys in the next state. 1, 2, 3. I think she likes it. 1, 2, 3.
Your head's nice and shiny.
That didn't sound very nice.
I know.